So let me address the elephant in the room real quick. Yes, my beard is gone. I'm currently doing my reserve duty right now. So if you follow me on a regular basis and you see, hey, his beard's gone, what's going on? That's why. Gotta shave off, look nice and clean, whatever, while I'm in uniform. So with that being said, let's get to the show.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Today in front of me I do have the Air T2 Ultra Thin Earbuds from Nexigo. I do believe that Nexigo partnered with another company to come up with I think these might be like the version 2. I'll put a YouTube card right here because I do believe that GameSki, he goes into a little bit more detail than what I can provide. So go ahead, check that video out. Very, very dope tech YouTuber in my opinion. These Air T2 Nexigo earbuds. Now these are touted to be the world's thinnest and lightest earbuds. And to be honest with you people, reviewing tons of earbuds over the past several years, I don't see anybody that can compete with them when it comes to the size of these. Really quickly going around this box, on the front side, as you can see, you have the image of the earbuds, Air T2 Ultra Thin CVC wireless earbuds. On the back side, this is the same thing. It gives you some specs, charging voltage, earbuds capacity, yada, yada, yada. You can see that. On the top, this is Bluetooth, tap control, ultra thin, clear voice capture. Inside this box, as you open it up, you do have your earbuds sitting right here on top. Let me go ahead and pull these out. And right away, you do see how thin these earbuds are right here. And then you also get a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. Nothing much to see here, people. You've seen one, you've seen them all. And then you also get a user manual. And that's it. That's everything that you get inside the box. But I do think that the user manual is a bit overkill, simply because you're here watching this video. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about these earbuds right now. So let's get into it. Okay, before I jump into these earbuds, just want to let you know that you can pick these up for around $70 on the Amazon website or the Nexigo website. And as always, I'll put the links in the description down below. These come in 3 different colors. You do have them in this silver right here. You also have them in black, and you also have them in a rose gold. And you will get a 7-hour battery life on a single charge. The charging case will charge these back up 3 additional times for 28 hours of total playback time, and that is at 50% volume. Now, I couldn't find where it said how long it would take to charge these back up, but with the USB Type-C port on the back side, it wouldn't surprise me if it took around an hour and a half, 2 hours max to charge these back up. Okay, so very quickly, let me give you some specs on these earbuds. As you can see, it says 3.2 grams. That's how much each of them will weigh. The case is a 1/2 inch thick. You got an overview right here. You have a Qualcomm QCC3040 chipset, Bluetooth 5.2. You got your 28-hour playback time, like I said before. Compact portable design, dual microphones, IPX5, water resistant, not waterproof. Please don't get that confused, people. And then also, as you can see right here, it says 4 mics with CVC 8.0 noise reduction, 13mm drivers for exceptional clarity. And that is a very, very quick rundown of the specs on these. So going around this charging case right here, it's made of an aviation grade aluminum alloy for maximum durability and lightness. You do have your USB Type-C port on the back side, like I said earlier. There's 2 things that I don't like about this case. As you can see, as I flip the lid door up, you can actually put your finger through this hole right here. So with that being said, dust, lint, whatever can get inside of this earbud case, and I don't know if it will damage it, whatever, probably not, but debris can just get inside this earbud case and mess it up if that's possible. And then one other thing that I didn't like about this case is that it doesn't have the ability to be charged wirelessly. So in my opinion, nowadays, newer earbuds, they should have the ability to be charged wirelessly. But other than that, the case is very slim, nice footprint, nice compact design. The door might be a little bit flimsy, but just be careful with that. Overall, to me, other than those 2 things, I do believe that this is a very nice, portable, compact, and durable case. And then also you do have indicator lights on the top side. As you can see right here, you have 3 LED lights will give you your battery status. You also can see the indicator lights on the earbuds as well. And that's pretty much it for the charging case. Now going around these earbuds, like I said before, they do have 2 mics on each earbud. Now when I first took these earbuds out of the case and I put them in my ears, I did not like them immediately. I was just like, These earbuds, they don't have any ear tips on them. It's supposed to be a one size fits all, which is never a good thing. But then I connected them to my phone, and let me tell you something, people, about the sound quality on these earbuds. Nexigo did an amazing job with the sound quality on these earbuds, which I will get into later. But if it wasn't for the amazing sound quality in here, I would have definitely said I couldn't recommend these. And going around the earbuds on the back side, you do have touch surfaces, not touch buttons. I'm not a big fan of touch surfaces, but what can you do? I mean, this is how they would fit in your ears right here. So very, very slim profile look. I have nothing to complain about that. They do not stick out of your ears too far whatsoever, in my opinion. Very, very nice. Without having silicone tips on here, you're not going to get that passive noise isolation. Also, there's no ANC and transparency mode on here. So you might think on the surface that sound quality is not going to be that good, but I'm telling you people, the sound quality here is just amazing. So I love what Nexigo did with that, even though it seems like it's supposed to be one size fits all, which might turn some people off initially, which is understandable. Okay, people, so normally at this point I would get into sound quality, but I'm not going to do that. I actually want to talk about the latency with these. I tested these out on YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Peacock, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, you know, all your usual video streaming platform services, and I had no latency issues whatsoever. And I also tested these out with mobile gaming, no latency issue whatsoever. I tested it out on Call of Duty Mobile. And at a price point of $70, most of the earbuds that I tested out when it came to gaming had some or very bad latency. But these right here, you won't have no issue with that.
And as you're hearing my voice right now, people, this is how the person on the other end of the phone call will hear you when it comes to call quality on these earbuds. Like I said earlier, these do have two microphones on each earbud and also CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology baked inside of these earbuds. I'm going to go ahead and put on some ambient music right now so you can see how much ambient sound these do or don't let in. And so as you can hear, I do have ambient noise going on in the background. Fabio Foreign, City of Gods, very dope song. Just released this album. I'm going to let this breathe a little bit so you can hear how much ambient sound this is actually letting in or not letting in. I will find out to a post, so go ahead and feel free to leave a comment down below. And that concludes my test for these Nexigo Air T2 earbuds. Let me know how you feel. Leave a comment down below.
Okay, people, and so finally, let me talk about the sound quality in these. Like I said earlier in the video, when I first took these out of the case and saw that they didn't come with any ear tips whatsoever, I was automatically turned off because I know that earbuds that don't have ear tips in them, you don't get that passive noise isolation, and the sound quality can always be better. Now that is still the case with these, but let me tell you people, Nexigo, they really did an amazing job when it comes to sound quality on these. I mean, some of the best sounding earbuds, ear tips or not, are these Nexigo Air T2 earbuds. Hands down, I'm just very surprised by that. I mean, also take into consideration that these cost $70. These sound really, really good. Obviously, they're not for bass head. It's a more dynamic sound. You got your crystal clear highs, very spread out mids. The lows, like I said, can be a little bit better if you're looking for that. If you're a bass head, these won't be for you. If you're more dynamic sound, you like a little bit more detail in your music, you will not be disappointed when it comes to these. These are very light in your ears. At first, I thought these would fall out of my ears just because they didn't have any ear tips on these, but using these over the duration of making this video and shaking my head, I have no issues with these. They're not coming out, they're not falling out, they're not moving around whatsoever. So I'm not the slightest bit disappointed in these earbuds anymore. They have changed my mind with how good the sound quality is, and just using these over the last 2-3 hours. Yes, it's taken me 2-3 hours to make this video simply because I recorded this video. And the worst thing that you can do as a YouTuber when you record video is not have your microphone on. But then an even worser, is worser a word? But even a worser thing you can do as a YouTuber is not even record while you run through a whole video, which is crazy. I recorded a whole video, had these in my ears the whole entire time, so it's been about 2.5, maybe 3 hours since I've been recording this video. No ear fatigue whatsoever. I am very, very surprised about these. Nexigo, I apologize for getting this review out tremendously late. Please forgive me. If you don't want to work with me ever again, I get it, but I'm just letting you know, people, that these earbuds are amazing. Definitely recommend these. $70. It won't hurt if you want to try these out. There's only one thing or a couple things I would like to see different about this case. Maybe put like a little bit of a clear piece of glass over top of this right here so that dust and debris won't get inside, and then make this wirelessly charging. But that's it, people. That's all I got for you. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.